So thanks for having me today. Today, Wednesday, 20th of February 2024, the day after President's Day. We talk about the Japanese market and opportunities to invest this year. We will start the presentation with this. First, we know that Japan fell into recession after GDP provisional contract 0.4% in the fourth quarter compared with this was weaker than the median estimation near to 1.4 growth for the most economy. Japan GDP also contracted by 0.1% in the fourth quarter for previous quarter after revision and their chicken chain of 0.8%. The Japanese economy dipped into technical recession after unexpectedly contracting again October and December. Provisional government data show high inflation is one of the highest reasons that Japan is past to be the fourth largest economy in the world, and Germany is now the third. Another interesting point here for you, as you have to see in the year, is the opportunity to invest in regulated Bitcoin. As remember, the SEC approved the last month. They launched and the Bitcoin market cap currently exceeds $1 trillion. That means that the capitalization of Bitcoin is much bigger than countries like Switzerland, Israel, and Emirates. Something like this. One of the big reasons of this movement is the institutional investors are looking for opportunities to invest in 2024. So this one is the first. Another critical point that we want to see today is what happened with the Warren Buffett movement in the Apple shares. He sold around 10 million Apple shares because the market value is around $2 billion. One of the biggest reasons he may take the decision is the Apple Store is still losing participation in the Chinese market. Remember that we know about the trouble with the Apple Watch improvement the last month. This could be another biggest reason people don't want to spend money in the Apple Store at this moment. Okay, let's move on. Wherever doesn't matter because the people continue to believe in the performance of Magnificent Seven. The object and the magnitude of the Seven Group these are the biggest company in the US. The people still believe in the performance of this company for the future. 61% of investors surveyed by Bank of America still believe that the company is a good investment for this year. The third opportunity that we want to talk about today is investment, and this is still increasing in AI, as you know. But in this case, the most important thing I see and detect is that everyone feels very comfortable with the development of microchips, all this related with the AI. In this case, I want to show you or talk a little bit about this company called Supermicrocomputer. This company is dedicated to offer the industry broadest range of advanced servers and storage solutions. This company works closely with key partners like Intel, and this performance is very excellent. The company shares increased almost 1,000% in 2023. Okay, let's move on. And the last two potential good investment for this 20 and 24, and first one is the gold. As you remember all these things around the central bank, the geopolitical risk, they are still do that the central banks are increasing their position in gold, because they very aware of the economy performance and the market volatility. So right now we see gold between $2,000 and the critical point, but the Citibank, for example, run is waiting that in 20 and 25 we may see gold touching the 3,000 level. The other opportunity is because the geopolitical risks are still happening in the Red Sea and the Middle East, and we can see the increasing in the oil price near to $100 according to sDay research team. Okay, now we can see the expectation of the investors here for the market performance. As you see here, the CNN Fear and Greed Index shows that 71% of investors feel comfortable with the performance of the market. However, if you see yesterday, the number falls because the number was most significant, 75. This means that the people may start to very concerned about the market potential correction in this near future. Then we can see how react our AI portfolio to all this news. And the first slide shows the performance month to date for the biggest asset managers and our portfolio called Quamvest in this month of February. As you see, almost all companies are near or between 3 and 40, and just 3 of most prominent asset managers are above 4 in this month, which is very good for them. Charles Schwab, Morgan Stanley, and BlackRock did an excellent job of this month. Categories portfolio is now 10 and 48 and 83% practically a recovery from the last month lows. The S&P right now is 341%. Right now, our performance since April 2019, we can see 149%. Our performance, the performance of our portfolio, we compare it with the 83% of the S&P market. From technical point of view, the zone from technical point of view of the for an S&P, here we are analyze the market with GT indicator. This is only available for Bloomberg subscribers, but the important thing here is as you see above 5,000 points is the resistance zones near to 5,040, and right now we can see the market is still losing momentum. Now the index is attacking the zone of 5,000 points. The critical level below is 49 and 60 and 49 and 40. So maybe we can see this level in the near future. Our portfolio was invested, the maximum percentage is 39% in technological companies, but that the portfolio is moving. So apart from this one, the second participation in our portfolio right now is the healthcare with the 18%. Just remember, we have 39% in technological sector, and this month return is 344% until last Friday, compared with the S&P, which only have 341%. All the metrics are here. In the previous 12 months, we have performance of 46 compared with 24. The most critical bets that we make are Meta, LLY, and Nvidia. This week we have important news. The first one is the initial jobs claims, then PMC meetings minute. The last one is the publication of PMI, very important, and we know that as well the CPI for Eurozone. Our general expectation we maintain for the market is to be cautious with all this information. So thank you very much. Thank you for having me. Please read the disclosure. Have a really nice week. Thanks for having me. Bye bye.